Hey everybody, Dawn McGee here, your wellness strategist and nutrition evangelist. This is take 3 on this video. Um, so all month long, we have been talking about systems for your life and your lifestyle, systems for your business. And you may be thinking, all right, Dawn, I got my systems down pat. Let's go. Where are my clients? Now, maybe your business is full of clients because you get them by word of mouth and referral. And if that is you, I am super thrilled for you, and that's fabulous. If that is not you, then you may want to tune in to what I'm about to say because there's one more big system that we have not yet talked about, and that is lead generation. Um, Lead generation, simply put, just means people that you can talk to that may or may not be potential clients. They're people to talk to. And we all want more people to talk to because the more people we talk to, the more likely it is we are going to connect with our ideal client, someone that wants to work with us, someone that we want to work with, and then life is good, right? All right, so let me talk about my 3 favorite lead generation systems. Number 1. Now, first of all, you need to be clear on your messaging, who you are, who you serve, what you provide, what pain points you solve, what transformations you provide, all of that stuff. Once you are clear, go tell people. Find places to go speak. Podcasts are great. Stages are great. There are always opportunities to speak at your local chamber of commerce or other groups. Very often, conferences that may have your ideal clients in it will offer a speaking spot in return for a sponsorship. So there are lots of opportunities to get out there and make your message heard. Now you may say, Dawn, I'm not really ready to be up on stages. Okay, keep that on your list of things to do because speaking can be very small and it can be very big. So don't shut that off entirely. There are lots of opportunities to speak and get your message out so that you can meet your ideal clients. Number 2, go find an interest group. Notice that I did not say networking group because everybody at networking groups are there for the same purpose. They're there to grow their business. And sometimes that means that they don't pay enough attention to other people in the quest of looking for something for themselves. So instead, go find an interest group. I love food and a great glass of wine and to travel. So those are the interest groups that I'm going to join. I will meet people who have similar interests and I may meet potential new clients. I may not, but for sure I'll be working on the know, like, and trust factor with them. And then when they need me, they'll call, or when one of their friends or colleagues needs me, they will call. So you'll have more fun. You'll be working on your joy and lifestyle system at the same time that you are working on your lead generation system. So go find some interest groups and have some fun. The third way that I like to do lead generation is, we'll call it a webinar, seminar. It could be on Zoom. It could be in person. It could be at your local rec center. It could be at your local community college. It could be any number of places. But the point of this is to give value in your area of expertise. Again, building the know, like, and trust factor. Not only does somebody need to know, like, and trust you, they also want to have confidence that you are good at what you do. And so by giving tons of value in a seminar or a webinar, you're going to start to overcome that, right? They're going to know that you are good at what you do, and they'll figure out whether or not you are somebody that they want to work with. Um, so you can take those messages that you put together for podcasts in the first step and just refine that, grow it a little bit, turn it into a real value giving presentation. So those are the 3 things that I would recommend you start with. There are tons and tons and tons of lead generation methodologies. You can invest a lot in ads and advertising and marketing, but this is a real grassroots, on the ground way to meet more people and hopefully people that you want to work with and who want to work with you. So Get clear on your message, appear on podcasts. Number 1. Number 2, join some interest groups. Number 3, give webinars and seminars. I hope that's helpful. Next month we'll be talking about a different topic. But as always, what I hope for you is that you live a life you love without giving up the things that bring you joy. Until next week.